Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Gohar Afridi. This video is especially related to Windows 10 user. If you have Windows 10 in your PC, then this video is specially for you. If you are using a laptop for a long period of time, then it hurts your eyes. To get some relief to your eyes, we use dark mode in Windows 10. So I am going to show you how you can turn on dark mode in Windows 10 to hopefully bring some relief to your eyes. To turn on Windows 10 dark mode, go down to your search bar and search for color settings. Click on best match. This opens up the color settings, and here you can see there is a drop down, choose your color, and that will change all my apps and taskbar into dark mode. You can also customize your color settings. For now I will change everything to dark. My apps and also my taskbar are now into dark mode. Let's see how it worked. My Chrome browser is also converted into dark mode, which is default application. And all my libraries are converted into dark mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. That way you will get notification anytime. And lastly, if you want to see me add any other video in the future, please leave a comment down below and I will add it to my list of videos to create. That's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye.